Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth breakdowns of must-have products. In today's video, we're looking at what might just be the best family picnic accessory you can get your hands on. The ALLCAMP picnic basket in blue and white. Right off the bat, this picnic basket impresses with its sleek and modern design, but there's much more beneath the surface. It's not just a pretty face. This is a high-performance, thoughtfully engineered insulated cooler and basket all in one. Made to enhance your outdoor experience whether you're at the park, beach, or just your backyard. Let's start with the build quality. The ALLCAMP picnic basket uses a tri-layer insulated construction. What does that mean? On the outside, you get a sturdy 600D Oxford fabric, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. Sandwiched in the middle is 6mm pearl cotton padding that provides both insulation and structure. Inside, you have an aluminum foil lining that helps maintain the temperature of your food, keeping things cool or warm for hours. This combination of materials isn't just functional, it's a structural upgrade that ensures the basket maintains its shape during use while still being flexible enough to fold down when you're done. Speaking of space, don't let the compact look fool you. When opened, this basket measures 15 inches wide, 9.5 inches deep, and 9.8 inches high. That's plenty of room to pack snacks, drinks, utensils, and even a cozy blanket. It hits that sweet spot between portability and storage, which is perfect for family outings. Now let's talk usability. This picnic basket is fully insulated and leak-proof, and that's a big deal. You can toss in ice packs or cold drinks without worrying about soggy bottoms or spills. The zipper closure on the top helps trap the temperature inside, whether you're trying to keep things hot or cold. Plus, the lining is super easy to clean. A quick wipe down and you're good to go. Another standout feature is its durability. The sewn-in aluminum frame gives it a solid feel without adding much weight. At only 700 grams, it's lightweight enough to carry effortlessly. But don't underestimate its strength. It can hold up to 65 pounds. That's right, 65 pounds. The padded handles also make it really comfortable to carry, even when it's loaded up. And when the day is over, the basket folds down to just 4 inches thick. You can slide it into a cupboard, under a bed, or into your car's trunk without it taking up valuable space. It's ideal for people who want utility without the bulk. Versatility is another big win here. Whether you're planning a romantic date in the park, a family beach day, a road trip, or even doing some grocery shopping at your local farmer's market, this basket adapts to your needs. It's not just a picnic basket, it's an everyday carry-all that transitions from leisure to practical use with ease. What's more, this product is part of a climate-friendly program. It contains at least 50% recycled materials and aligns with ALLCAMP's commitment to sustainability. That's a bonus for anyone looking to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing quality. To sum it up, the ALLCAMP picnic basket offers an unbeatable combination of thoughtful design, dependable insulation, rugged durability, and convenient portability. If you're in the market for a picnic basket that's built for families, couples, and solo adventurers alike, this one should definitely be at the top of your list. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. See you in the next one.